How to install a 3-pole 125 amp mains isolator switch on an 8-way and onward board. Start by attaching the 125 amp gear tray to the top 2 pre-drilled holes located at the back of the board. Please note that the lower 4 screw holes are designated for attaching the 250 amp gear tray. Remove the L1, L2, L3 plastic cap. Fix the copper buzz bar kit to the phases. The copper buzz bars have L1, L2, L3 indicators to help showcase which way to install the buzz bars. Tighten with a Torx screwdriver. Check all the terminals are open on the mains isolator switch to ensure correct placement onto the buzz bars. Once in position, screw each of the terminals to attach to the buzz bars. Tighten with a Torx screwdriver to the correct settings. To complete the installation, slide the Illusion shield between the main switch and the plastic cap. Please see our other how-to videos for more information on our Illusion 3-phase range.